There are many benefits that comes with wearing wigs, and in today's video, I'll be talking about 5 benefits of wearing wigs. Hello lovely naturals, welcome to another video. Here are the 5 benefits of wearing wigs you should know about. Number 1. Wearing wigs keeps your natural hair healthy. If you are someone who really takes good care of your natural hair or tries your optimum best to maintain a healthy natural hair, wearing wigs will protect your hair and keep it safe, as well as improve the health of your hair, since your ends won't be exposed to harsh weather conditions. Number 2. Wigs hide our hair insecurities. To be honest, most women struggle with hair problems, and this might sometimes lower their confidence. Not everyone has perfect hair, but with wigs, anyone can have perfect hair as long as the wig is of good quality and you install them well. Hair problems like hair thinning, alopecia, and baldness can be concealed with wigs. This can restore and increase the self-confidence in most women with hair problems. Number 3. Looks are enhanced with wigs. These modern day wigs look more realistic as compared to the 90s wigs with the help of technology. Nowadays, it's mostly hard to identify someone who is wearing a wig from someone wearing her own natural hair because of its realism. A friend of mine was pissed when she went out and someone asked where she got her wig from. She got confused because that was her real natural hair. If you've been wanting to have some type of different look, wigs will always come through for you. Number 4. Wearing wigs save time once they are installed. Wigs are ideal for people with busy schedules. It can make your morning routine less stressful, but styling your natural hair can sometimes take up a lot of time. But styling a wig could be easier since it does not require any sophisticated styles. Number 5. You have so many options to choose from when it comes to wigs. Wigs come in different styles and colors. You can achieve different styles without altering your natural hair. With wigs, you can try a bob hairstyle without actually cutting your hair. You can wear any color, being it blue or purple, without dyeing your natural hair. Has your natural hair ever been mistaken for a wig by a stranger? Comment your thoughts and please like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.